Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Norton account, current iOS, and a device passcode. Install Norton Password Manager and sign in. You need the master password to encrypt your vault. Once done, create a strong master password and enable Face ID or Touch ID for fast access. If you already use iCloud Keychain, decide whether to import or keep separate. Importing consolidates credentials but requires careful review. Make sure backups and two-factor auth are ready before moving on. Next, import and organize your data. Use the app's import tool to pull passwords from Safari, Chrome, or a CSV export. Pick only the items you trust and confirm duplicates. Once imported, create folders and tags to group work versus personal accounts. This saves time when searching. Then enable auto fill-in settings so Norton can fill credentials in apps and websites. Also prefer Norton's in-app browser for password capture. These steps streamline logins and reduce manual entry errors as you go. Finish by syncing your vault to the Norton cloud and verifying that entries appear on your iPhone and any other devices. You should set up emergency access and schedule periodic encrypted exports so you can recover accounts if needed. Make sure autofill, Face ID, and notifications permissions are granted in iOS settings. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back in, then force quit and reopen the app. If autofill fails, confirm Norton is enabled under Settings Passwords Autofill and restart the phone if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.